Hi there, if you have a kids channel and you're freaking out because you don't know what to do due to the new regulations coming on YouTube, stay tuned, watch this video as I give you 9 tips as to what you should do with your kids channel. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, helping you grow your business with YouTube. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time we upload videos every Tuesday. Now, if you have a kids channel, you're probably freaking out because of the new regulations that are coming through because of COPPA and the FTC rulings on YouTube. There's a lot of info out there about what can happen. You can get $45,000 fine, all of these things, but there isn't much information out there for you who has a kids channel or a channel that's orientated for kids to what to do moving forward. So I want to give you 9 tips as to what you should be doing with your kids YouTube channel in 2020. Number 1 is to keep creating content. Just because these regulations are coming in doesn't mean that you should stop your YouTube channel. There are plenty of opportunities out there for you with your channel, despite YouTube cutting your monetization. Tip number 2 is to reduce the number of videos you're creating per week. So if you're doing 5 or 7 days, cut that down to about 2 or even 3 days per week. Because you don't have monetization, you're not going to get the revenue from AdSense, so there's no need to create as much content as before. Tip number 3 is to look to maximize affiliate revenue. So if you're sending people over to Amazon to buy products that you recommend or any other site, look to continue to do that. Because you're not getting revenue from YouTube directly, you can afford now to send more people off the platform over to sites that can help you make some money. Number 4 is to add merch to your site. If you can, add merch, caps, hats, t-shirts, all those good things to your YouTube channel to help you grow your revenue from your efforts. Now, before I continue with the rest of these tips, if you know other kids channels out there who need these tips, make sure to send this link to them, share this video with them and let them know about how they can maximize their revenue from their YouTube channel in 2020. Now, back to the other tips. Number 5 is to create your own mobile app. This will help you engage with your audience more, connect with them, and then be able to send them off to other offers and stuff like that from your own app. If you'd like to know how to do so, click the link in the description below where there are resources to help you build your own mobile app. Number 6 is if you have the numbers to create your own YouTube members area, do so. Just because you got kids content doesn't mean that you can't use the other areas of revenue from YouTube. So set up your members area and then add additional content behind the paywall so that you get paid for your results. And this ties back to point number 2. So if you are creating 5 pieces of content per week, put 2 or 3 of them behind the members area so that you've got 2 or 3 pieces showing for free on your channel, and then the other pieces are showing behind the paywall to your YouTube members. Tip number 7 is if you don't have the numbers to create YouTube members, then sign up for Patreon if you haven't done so already, or some other crowdsourcing platform. Maximize your revenue from other platforms that allow you to make some money from your YouTube channel. Numero 8 is create another channel that's not kids orientated. If you are a parent, then you can create your own channel around what you like to do. So this gives you the opportunity to create more content on the platform because you already know how to build a channel. You can use that expertise to create another channel based around you or other adult orientated content. You can then publicize that channel from your kids channel that has already the audience and momentum to get more subscribers over to your brand new channel so that you can quickly and easily get your subs and your views up there, which can have monetization so you can get your AdSense revenue there. And tip numero 9 is create more channels. So if there are any channels that you just fancy creating because you could, now is the opportunity to do so. So if you wanted to do crafting or sports or some other channel, now you have the expertise because you built your kids channel. use that expertise now to create channels so you can use them to get your monetization from, and use the other tips that I gave, like getting more affiliate revenue or using Patreon or whatever to grow the revenue from those channels using the expertise that you've developed creating your kids channel. So there you go, those are 9 tips if you have a kids channel and you're beginning to freak out because YouTube is cutting your monetization in 2020. Take all, take any, take whatever you want from those tips, apply them to your YouTube channel to get more revenue from your video making efforts. Let me know which one you liked or which one you're going to implement in your channel in the comments area below. I'd love to know which ones you're going to use. And of course, if you have any additional ones that you want to add, again, pop them below and help other kids' channels grow in 2020. And as always, if this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button somewhere here and view one of these fantastic other videos to help you grow your YouTube channel. Bye for now.